the people that live here, the population, you know, the people that live in this Lauterbrunnen, it's only 4,000 people.
4,000
Yes, yes, only 4,000 people. So basically, they know each other.
Oh, I see.
It's really nice. Look at that, beautiful. It is so nice. How is the temperature? It's only 1 Celsius.
Oh.
It's not even. Yeah. Oh, nice. Nice. You know, if you like live here and then you sleep at night and you hear the sound of the waterfall. Amazing, right? Oop. Oh, beautiful. This is like this and Zermatt for me is the best one, the highlighted one that I come here. You can say. And I get to see two. I get to see snow, and I get to see during when it's not snowing. But I think when it snows, it's much more beautiful because it's all white. It's like in the Instagram.
No, it's so beautiful.
Yes. For these people, I think they grow tired of snow, you know, because they see it every day. But for us, it's not like we're seeing it every day, so it's beautiful. You have to send the pictures to your friend that ask, why you want to go to Switzerland? You gotta show them. See, Staubbach.
Oh, Staubbach.
Like Staubbach. Oh, there's the river, the stream. Whew, beautiful. Woo. Oop. This is rock.
Christmas tree.
Yes, Christmas tree. It is like Christmas. Ooh. See the old house. This is the one. This is exactly like where I live. Different architecture, right?
Yeah.
Come on. I think this is beautiful. You sit here. You stay here. Okay. Take pictures. You know.
Okay.
Look here. 1, 2, 1, to point your finger, your hand to that place. All right, 1, 2. Oh, nice. Up there, like I have to take a bus, but when I go that like 10 minutes by bus, they'll be go to this mount that like I told you before, Peace Gloria. Yeah, this is the mount, one of the biggest mountains. It's the Chiltron. Yeah, and you have to take three funicular to get to the top. Yes. Ooh. You hear that?
Yeah, yeah. That's a cow?
Cow. That's a cow. Hey, watch out. Here. Yeah. Let's go. And sometimes they sell like
Thank you.
yes, it's okay. Walk straight. Sometimes like this, they put like jam or maybe bread or something, so they sell it, and it's homemade. You know, it's so fresh, homemade. Yeah, it's not like made in the factory. Oop, okay. This is where, if you want to go camping, there. So nice. 100 years old. Let's walk like 5 minutes and then come back. There's like a small river, I think. Ooh. Do you play ski? No?
No.
In Japan, is there like a ski place?
Yeah.
Oh, they have it. Oh,
But
but you don't play?
yes.
Me too. I want to try, but I'm afraid I'll break a leg or something because I never tried before. Just wide. Wow. Those people are going skiing.
Oh, there.
Yeah, because it's fresh snow. They told me when it's fresh snow, you can go much easier.